Hello, and welcome back to Wooden Railway Studio. Here is a discussion video of my new eBay purchases that just arrived in the mail today. Here is the Sodor mail coach. Now I have two of these. So Percy looks more realistic while pulling it. Or just other engines. Because I think it looks better when you have two of them connected together than just one. This one's dated 1996 on the wheels. It's a very nice piece to have. They're a little expensive and very hard to find though. They're very nice. Here is a single engine shed. Dated 1994. Now I actually have three of these sheds. So I can actually do the three sheds with the 8-inch turntable right there. So it's very nice. As you can see, the train goes in there. It's dated 1994, like I said. This is a neat piece. They're also a little bit, excuse me, a little difficult to find. But it's a very nice piece. I always like these. I always like getting those kind of sheds when I can. Here is a Switch T-Track for the final item from 1996. It has a brown label, original box, and full inside. Comes with the T-switch, which has some weird yellow on it, but I can film it at an angle where it will be unnoticeable, especially when the train comes over it. It also has two male adapters. And here's the T-switch. Here's the box, because I always love getting things in their original boxes. On the island of Sodor, Thomas the Tank Engine and friends experienced many adventures and learned valuable lessons. The Thomas Wooden Railway System brings Thomas and his friends to life. From the simplest layouts to the most complex, the Thomas Wooden Railway System grows along with a child's increasing ability and creativity. Crafted from high-quality wood and other durable metals, this classical toy will delight children for years to come. Then it shows the switch. It includes 3 pieces of track, the T-switch, and 2 track adapters, it says. And you can switch directions left, right, and left. And then they always show it in a layout. Neat things that they show, like the Crosby Station cargo truck right here, and Sir Topham Hatt's car, Peter Sam, which appears to have Percy's face, if you can see it. Well, thank you for viewing my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and share my videos on any social media outlet you belong to. Thank you. Goodbye.